Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by securing the car. Battery negative off to avoid shorts, parking brake set, wheels chalked. Once done, remove the under tray or plastic splash shield to expose the belt area. You need clear access. Next, locate the belt routing diagram on the radiator support or take a clear photo now. This prevents mistakes later. Finally, fit your 12 mm socket or serpentine tool to the tensioner and position your breaker bar so you can relieve tensions. With the breaker bar on the tensioner, rotate it to the direction that relieves tension and carefully slip the belt off the easiest pulley, typically the alternator. Once free, remove the belt entirely. You should then spin each pulley by hand and check for roughness, play, or wobble. Replace any noisy idlers or the tensioner. Compare the old belt to the new one to confirm correct length and rib profile, and clean any debris from pulley grooves so the new belt seats properly. Route the new belt exactly following the routing diagram, keeping the tensioner pulley for last so you can easily reposition it. Once routed, rotate the tensioner again and slip the belt into place, then slowly release tension so the tensioner engages. Make sure the ribs sit squarely in each groove and that the belt tracks centered. Start the engine briefly and observe the belt for correct tracking and noise. If the belt slips or squeals, shut off and confirm routing or replace a faulty tension.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.